Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to download the direct deposit form of the TD Bank. So as you can see that this is the direct deposit form that I have downloaded from the TD Bank. So I'm going to show you how you can do that as well. So first of all, you just have to simply open your web browser and there you need to type td.com. After that, you just have to simply click on this login button in the top right hand corner and you need to simply log in into your account. Now, once you're successfully logged in, the interface of your account will look something like this. Now, here on the Easy Web, you need to go to the accounts page and select the account into which your funds will be directly deposited. After that, select the Manage tab, then select the Direct Deposit Form PDF link. You can also see it in the image section. It is the direct deposit form. So you just have to simply click on it, and now you will be redirected in a new tab where you will be able to see this TD Bank's a deposit form, which you can easily download it from here. So in order to download it, simply click on this download button in the top right hand corner and press save, and the direct deposit form will be saved in your PC or in your mobile device. So thanks for watching this video.